how to blur face in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So to blur any face in CapCut, choose the video that you want. And then after choosing the video, what you want to do is go to the bottom of the screen and click on effects. From there, select video effects and then type in blur in the search bar. Choose the blur effect you like the best, and then once added, drag it to the end of the video and then click on the video where you want to split it, and then after splitting it, tap on overlay at the bottom, drag the overlay to the start of the original video to align them perfectly, and then click on the mask option. I recommend using the circular mask for this. Don't forget to click invert to focus the blur on the face. To ensure the blur follows the face as it moves, we'll need to use keyframing. Go to the right of the play pause button, add a keyframe at the start. As the video plays, move the blur to keep it aligned with the face. It's best to do this in smaller increments for precision. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in CapCut. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.